Hi guys, welcome today to a new video. I hope that you guys had a lovely week and are enjoying your weekend today. So guys, in today's video, I'm really excited to share this one with you guys. I've been waiting for a really long time for this Coda bag, and I'm so happy that she's here. I put this one at the beginning of the year on my wish list in my boutique, and I was granted this wish list. And it is a bag that I've waited quite a while to put down on my wish list because I thought it is like a bag that's extra. It's not a really practical bag. So when I'm talking like this, probably you guys already know which bag I've received from the boutique, but I'm really happy about it. I didn't expect it to come soon. I don't know like what is soon anymore, but I'm so excited that I got this bag. I'm so happy that I have it. And yeah, I just can't wait to share it with you guys. It's not something that happened like, I know like there isn't like a huge story behind it. I just, as I said, like put it down on my wish list and I waited, and then I've got the phone call that the bag was in, so I was really excited. I have to say, when I put down the wish list, there was like a stop for any 25 model, so it was like you have to choose this bag, and I was like, oh, it's such a bummer that I have to choose this bag, but I'll go with it. So I'm really excited, you guys. So you guys, let's just open this up because I want to share with you guys. Oh, before I say this, I have this bag for a couple of weeks now, maybe a couple of months by now, and I haven't shared with you guys. I already used it. So it's kind of like a semi unboxing, but not really unboxing. It's like more of a sharing what I have new in my collection with you guys. You guys know I'm not like that good with unboxing everything behind YouTube, but let's share this one with you guys. So I've been using it already and I've been loving it so much. So here she is. This is the mini Kelly, so this size 20 Kelly in camel, or how they call it, gold, and it's got gold hardware, so they call it gold on gold. And I've been wanting this combination forever. I've been wanting this one actually in a Birkin, and I still want it in a Birkin, but I'm so happy that I got it in the mini Kelly. It's such a gorgeous color. It is exactly what I put down on my wish list, and I'm super happy that I got it. It is really amazing. Now, I've been using it already, as you guys can see, but today with you guys, I'm going to remove the stickers so we get like a little bit of unboxing still. Let me do this with you guys. So the stickers are always put like around all the hardware. So let's remove the stickers together. At least we get like to do something fun together, right? So I think I see me remove, yeah, all the stickers. It's actually really good for your hardware to remove the sticker, though it is devaluing your bag if you are just buying them for resale. So if you are investing in Hermes bags and things like that, don't remove your stickers because the value will drop. But if you're not, do it, because otherwise it will oxidate underneath the stickers. And yes, I haven't done this, by the way, with all of my bags. I need to. But I've been feeling like more loose lately and just finding my way to let go of the stickers. So here she is. How gorgeous is she? So I have gotten this one as well in the Cellier because I actually like the more structure look of Cellier. But recently I shared with you guys that my Kelly 25 is having like a little bit of trouble. And I'm not sure if Cellier is the way anymore to go. So maybe I'll change my next one into chèvre or something. But those type of leathers, they come really hard by and it's really difficult to get one. So yeah, that's it. You guys, I really love it. I like that the mini Kelly has a strap. Lucky that I have this one. And also like with the mini Kelly, you guys, look at the stitches. I love that contrasting stitches, such a beautiful color. And so versatile. I think it's amazing. Are you ready? Do I? No, I don't. I don't have a back insert at this moment, but I'm definitely going to buy one just to keep my bag a little bit more beautiful on the inside as well. This is my new Hermes mini Kelly. You can see how gorgeous she is. I like the fact that with the mini Kelly you have the long strap as well as the Kelly, but I just like the Kellys in general because they can go crossbody. I wear it like so I don't like keep it open because I think it will damage the or crease the back here, so I just wear it like this and put it over my shoulder like this. And I've been really enjoying this one. And I don't know if you guys remember in my last video, I was so excited that I got to work with Scent Create, because in that video they have sent me the iPhone case and also like a wallet to use, and it was like around maybe or like a month after I received the mini Kelly. So I was super happy that I got to have like these accessories, you guys, in this beautiful color that perfectly matches with the camel or gold on gold from my mini Kelly. So I've been definitely love using this bag so much. I can't wait to style it like a lot more. It's summer, so I'm wearing it right now everywhere. It's such a good grab to go back. The only thing that you guys already know, if you have like an iPhone Pro Max, it won't fit in the bag, and that's like a downside. But then again, I don't mind just putting it somewhere, but the fact that I can just hold it and wear it like this, it's so comfortable and it's so good. I've waited such a long time for putting this bag on my wish list, but now that I put it on my wish list, it's actually another bag that I would definitely want in the future, or maybe a Kelly 25 again. I'm such a Kelly person more than a Birkin person, and that's just something that I'm noticing while I'm using it. So yeah, I'm really excited about this bag. However, I don't know if my next wishlist bag is going to still be in Cellier. I do find that Cellier is very much more, I don't know, I would say like fragile. Though they say Cellier is very tough in terms of you won't see the scratches, which is really good. But I've noticed with my Kelly 25 in Cellier that it has a lot of wear already, and I just don't like that about a bag that I bought like not that long ago. So it makes me just a little bit more wary, and also think about which other bag I will put on my wish list after this mini Kelly. But that is for next. Now I get to enjoy this beauty at this moment, which I'm absolutely madly in love with. This is it. Let me know in the comment box down below, what do you think of this beauty? Which one do you think I should go for next? Also, which one is on your wish list? Because you guys inspire me as well as I inspire you guys in a different way. But yeah, let me know which is on your wish list. And also why, because I think that's also really important. I do take all of those things into consideration when I'm putting another bag on my wish list. But for now, thank you so much for being here. And if you stick here till the end, thank you absolutely for that. And if you're new here and you like these types of video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So that is it for today. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.